Hey there, friends, it's Teddy, and I'm here to show you how to draw those adorable minions from Despicable Me. Let's get started. We'll begin by sketching a circle and adding a big, expressive eye right inside it. Next, we'll encircle the eye with a slightly larger circle and extend some rectangular shapes on each side to create those famous goggles. Now, let's shape the top of the minion's head by adding a curvy, upside-down U-shape. Also add small hairs around it. Moving on to the mouth, draw a curved D shape and add those characteristic teeth. From the head, draw two straight lines downwards and connect them with a smooth curve to form the minion's body. Time to define the shoulders with rectangular shapes on each side. Don't forget to add buttons in the center of each shoulder. We'll decorate the sides with L shapes and create a pocket using a reverse D shape. Connect the L shapes with a big, friendly U curve. Now, onto the legs. Simply draw them extending down from the body. Switching to the arms, draw a straight line for the left arm and add two curvy lines at the end for the hand. Connect a straight line from the left shoulder. Repeat the arm process on the right side to keep things balanced. For that authentic touch, add the iconic G logo in the center pocket. And there you go, your very own Minion creation. If you had fun with this tutorial, show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing. I'll be back with more exciting drawing guides soon. Keep those creative juices flowing and enjoy your drawing.